So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
Kids, isn't it? Oh, this is an awful look on me. Pardon me.
I'm gonna sneeze. Sorry. I'm sorry, okay? Sorry.
Oh goodness. Does anyone else? I heard that it was technically like I heard it was like genetics that makes you sneeze when you see the sun. I do it and now my son does it. Literally I can count on anytime I'm looking at the sun, I'm sneezing as well with my son. So not again. I need to cross my legs. Oh, I'm gonna pee my pants. Freaking oh my gosh. I'm gonna pee my pants. Ah, there we go.
Yeah. There you go. And you don't cover up.
forgot it or not.
And when you sneeze, you just sneeze right in the camera. And you lift your head up.
Been sneezing all day and I've been unable to stop. Literally can't stop it, so I want to see if I can sneeze while keeping my eyes open. Cause I heard it's like impossible. Can you ready? Can you do it? No one can do it. No, I feel like I'm allergy free today. You're literally gonna hurt your... My eyeballs are gonna pop out. We didn't do a screen protection video. I've just literally been sneezing all day. I can't talk to a customer without literally the sniffles coming.
I promised my little baby cousin that I was gonna take her to breakfast this morning, so let's change this. Okay, just showered. I'm gonna do the because after the breakfast we're going to the gym. You know water dehydrates you to sober up, right? It's my favorite. It's my holy grail when I go out. It brings me back to life. Yesterday I
All right.
say thank you to all the Neese tribe. Subscribers and Patreon members, we could not do this without you. You guys keep us lifted up and supported.
So I brought out the pepper again because I feel like I need to show everyone how I used to sneeze. I feel like I owe it to everyone after 1.3 million views. Here we go. I think I got that in my eye. Good, do you get that?
Yeah, that hurt. That hurt my chest. It hurt.